We are back working on a miniature house. Last time we did the little kitchen setup with the kitchen counters and the cabinets and all the little trinkets. This time we're gonna start in on the dining room table. So we are doing the little flowers and vase set, this little magazine, and then the 2 cups of coffee. There were other coffees go on other tables in the build, so I'm gonna save those for later. Okay, so here is everything, all the little decals, the little plant, what we're gonna make the flowers out of. Now I just gotta get everything cut up. Okay, so we have all 3 paper flowers cut out. Now I just need to coil them up to turn them into like the actual flowers. So we start on the outside. Yeah. Just pinched it, and now we just need to coil it around. I wish there was better directions on how to do this. The 3 flowers are completed. I wouldn't say they're magnificent by any stretch of the means, but they are at least done. Now we are going to cut off 2 of these little stem pieces and 2 of the leaves to add to the vase. This is our little vase. It's just a little bead, which I love. I think I made the flowers a little bit too tall, so I am going to trim these 2 down a little. Yeah, they were a little tall for how big our vase is. Okay, and I'm gonna do the clear tacky glue. You know what I'm gonna do first though, is there's no bottom to this, so I am going to just cut out a quick bottom, just out of some scrap paper, to put at the bottom of the vase. There we go. Now we have a bottom to the vase, so when I glue stuff, the glue's not all gonna flow through it. Trim off some of these so I can get it into there. One leaf is in. The vase is done. Do not fall over, do not fall over. Excuse me, what did I literally just say about falling over? Okay, just not gonna touch it now. Flowers are done. Now we are doing the magazine. So here's the decal for the magazine. That is the cover, and those are the inside pages because they actually have pages for the magazine. How cute is that? Cut everything out. Now we just have to fold it out. And we can glue the little magazine pages into the cover. That is the cutest thing in the entire world. So while the book is now drying, we gotta cut out the little tiny coffee mugs right there. Okay, I just cut the little mugs and they have a little latte art for their mugs. I am absolutely dead. Okay, we gotta curl this. I'm gonna use a toothpick to curl it around to make it into like a muggy shape. I don't even know if you can see it, but the little tiny mugs are done. I actually just need to do the handles for them and then they'll actually be done. This is getting so cute. I'm gonna use my tweezers to bend this. Okay, the handles are on. Now we're just waiting for them to dry. The handles, like the wire, is way too heavy for those tiny teacups. But I think once we cut out the coasters and put the teacups onto the coasters, that will give them some like heaviness on the bottom that hopefully will help fix that problem. Okay. Cut out the coasters. I'm just gonna put a little bit of glue on the center of them. And then I'm definitely gonna have to use my tweezers to put the teacups onto the coasters. Stay. Okay, there we go. Look how cute they are. Okay, so here is what our table is looking like. So the only thing we still need to decide is I don't want to glue the stuff to the table because we're going to be decorating for the different holidays. I don't know how I'm going to be able to like switch out what is on the table if I glue it to the table. So I'm trying to figure out how we're going to do this. We might do the same thing as we did with the garden bed and have different like inserts or tabletops for the different holidays. I'll just need to like cut out a circle that we can put on top of the table for each thing. But I'm loving this so much. So our kitchen is like 90% of the way done. The only thing that we have left is upholstering the chairs. That is a project in and of itself. So I am going to probably wait to do that. I'm assuming it's gonna take like an hour and a half, and then our living room or our kitchen will be like fully done. This probably has taken me at least 5 to 6 hours just to do what we have done, so I can't imagine how much longer the rest of the house is gonna take. But I will see you guys later.